Today we're going to be installing an OEM trailer hitch on a 2018 Chevy Equinox. This particular model is the LT. It's got a 1.5 liter gasoline engine with forward wheel drive. Now keep in mind, I am not an auto mechanic and this video is for informational purposes only. Overall, we will be installing two parts, which includes the hitch trailering package and separately a hitch trim bezel, which cleans up the look afterwards. Also be aware, neither parts will come with the installation instructions. For those, you'll need to contact your local Chevy dealer, and you'll need to go to the dealer so they can print them out for you. They're not allowed to send them digitally, but they do have a system that they can look up those part installation instructions pretty quickly for you if you need. The first thing we need to remove is the rear fascia. This is held in place by a number of torque screws underneath and small bolts along the inside of the wheel well. I did note that the installation instructions I received didn't illustrate the final bolt that you'll need to pull back the wheel well cover to reach, but it's fairly easy to get to, as you'll see here in the video. With the screws out, we can now release the rear fascia by pulling up and outwards on the top side to loosen it. In general, you don't need to remove the brake lights. However, I did find while I was doing this that removing the lights was very easy, having only two screws holding them in, and it allowed me to see the tabs from the fascia that was holding it in place. This way I didn't end up breaking those tabs because they are very sensitive and could easily be torn. So I would highly recommend removing the brake lights and doing it that way as I'm showing here versus just trying to pull it out without being able to see. This is the part that everybody gets scared about. We got to cut the fascia. So if you look here, at least they're nice enough to give you an outline of where you need to cut, and then we need to drill these holes so that we can get these little knobs to come through. And then we have these metal clips that go on the knobs to secure them. And the instructions I have don't show where these pop rivets go, but I'm thinking they go on the ends here to hold this in place, to keep it solid. Okay, the other one? Okay, thank you.